What is going on, guys? It's Levi here with Stu Automotive, and this week's video is going to be the comparison of my old exhaust versus the new Racing Beat Road Race exhaust that I currently showed you in the last video. Unfortunately, I did not get any videos of the install, but I did get some videos of before what my exhaust sounded like, kind of a comparison video of what the old versus the new looks like, and then a couple of other little videos here and there of passes and whatnot. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and start the video, and hope you enjoy. And this is what I had before. That's the old. This is the new. So pretty. And that is the end of this week's video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook if you want to keep tabs on the build. Link and all that stuff will be in the description below, as well as the link to the exhaust from Racing Beat. Once again, guys, thank you very much for watching, and have a good day.